What's up, cuties? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far today. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. Today my fellow crewmate, this gorgeous lady Anjali, and I are going to explore this beautiful city Delhi and experience this amazing weather. It's like 16 degrees in here. It's like super cold for me. Our mission today actually is to roam around a little bit and eat some really delicious food. We actually reached the hotel in the afternoon and we got to know that everything here closes by evening. So we had very limited options to go to, and also we kind of avoided all of those places which are like super crowded, like Chandni Chowk and Lal Killa and places like those. So we just thought that we'll go to Lodi Garden first and then head to Khan Market, which is like super close by, so that we can eat something over there. And I haven't seen Lodi Garden, so it will be like completely new for me. We also have to come back to the hotel early as in approximately like around 10 o'clock at night, because we have an early morning flight tomorrow and we have to wake up for like 3 a.m. in the morning. So it's gonna be a super long day for both of us because we didn't sleep the previous night also. We just like slept for like 2 hours, and it's gonna be a long day for us, but definitely it's gonna be a super fun day and we want you to come with us. I'm actually feeling a bit nostalgic today because I am going out in Delhi after a really long time. Since I left Delhi, I've never really traveled after that. So it was mostly like staying in the hotel and going back. But today I thought I should go out in this beautiful weather. और सच बताऊं तो मैं चेन्नई की गर्मी सह के पक गया हूं. So सोचा चलो आज दिल्ली की ठंड का आनंद लिया जाए. This one. So where we have to go? So come, no. बोल रही है जो लड़की है वो बहुत इंट्रोवर्ट टाइप है. नहीं तो वो तुमको ऑनेस्ट आंसर्स कैसे देगी. So I'm just gonna tell you a little bit about this place. थोड़ी ज्ञान की बातें बस सुन लो. So Lodi Garden is a city park spread over 90 acres property. It's like huge. It contains tombs of Muhammad Shah, then Sikandar Lodi, and Shisha Gumbad and Bara Gumbad, who ruled parts of North India and Punjab basically. The architectural work that you see is from 15th century by Lodis, and it's a very popular spot for morning and evening walks for the localites. बोल रहे हैं ये लोग.
चाय गर्मा गर्म चाय चाय सर चाय.
So this was the today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you really did, then please do hit the like button and share it with your friends. And before leaving, please do hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, because that will actually motivate me to make more such videos for you guys. So with that, I love you guys. Have a beautiful rest of your day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.